Hello friends, it's Reza. Welcome to channel Reza Blade. I'm just joining you today to do a really quick teaser, and I mean really quick. Beautometry this year has done a countdown to Halloween box. There's 20 count and there is a 13 count, I think. I have the 20 count, and starting today at noon Central US time, I will be doing on Beautometry's Facebook page live unboxings and first impressions of these items. There are a lot of really cool items in here. This big guy is the package. So I would love for you to join me. There is a little flyer that I put out on my Instagram with the data. All you need to know. Don't forget. And then the plan currently is for these videos to go up on my channel if you don't get a chance to watch me live. Just so you can see what's in here and what might be, fun to look at. There will be some reviews on these things coming out later. I'll do maybe a first impressions video, and then maybe I'll do the full inspiration and review that I normally do. So, anyway, don't forget, join us on Beautometry's page. I believe it's called the International Nail Society with Beautometry. I will be live. Don't miss us. This is today at 12 Central. Today meaning the 20th of October. And every day afterward for the rest of this October. See you later.